Once you've discovered your familiar, manifest its energy. If you've found your familiar, it's time to become it. Find a sacred, special place that you think your animal would feel most comfortable spending its time. Take a hike out in the woods. Find cozy, quiet places in your home you think your animal would like. Once you've found the right place to connect with your animal, pretend you can only see through its eyes, not your own. Get low to the ground. Climb a tree. Get on your hands and knees and feel the dirt between your fingers and toes. Do what your animal would do. This will bring you closer to your familiar, and it will help you to understand how it lives its life as it tries to understand how you live yours. Understanding familiars in general is an essential part of the journey. Before you begin the process of summoning your familiar, you should take the time to figure out which animals you might already have the strongest connection with based on your own personality characteristics. Think about your defining qualities. Are you a leader or a follower? Are you quick on your feet? Do you possess an abundance of wisdom or knowledge? Are you extremely creative? Do you already feel a strong connection with a certain animal? Is there a particular animal that you've already noticed often shows up in your dreams? Once you've answered some of these questions for yourself, do some research. There are plenty of websites that will list out common familiars and their corresponding energies and attributes. After you've figured out which animal or animals you're most like, then it's time to try summoning them. Not all familiars are animals. Spiritual allies do not only come in the form of animals. For some, the best spiritual ally may come in the form of a mineral, crystal, or plant. Just like with an animal familiar, you will want to cultivate a relationship with any other form of familiar. For example, if you have a plant familiar, you want to grow it and offer it energy pertaining to your particular intentions. Your familiar may change throughout your lifetime. It is a common misconception that once you have found your familiar, that is the animal you will call your familiar for the rest of your life. Depending on what you are going through, your animal familiars may change throughout the course of your life. Historically, familiars were believed to be magical animals with shape-shifting abilities. Modern practitioners of witchcraft and Wicca do not see this shape-shifting as a literal event, but rather as a change in form whenever their practice or life requires it. Spirit animals and familiars have a long history in Native American and Wiccan practices. Once you've discovered your familiar, learn everything you can about it. Meditate, meditate, meditate. Knowing your familiar can help you better understand yourself.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.